Welcome to Daily Motivation. Use the power of setting intention to guide you. Let your days be guided by a clear intention. As you go through your day, release everything that doesn't support this intention, whether it's other people's opinions, unwanted thoughts, or fears that come up in stressful moments. I will let unpleasant moments pass. I will stay present, and I trust the process of life are all powerful intentions. Come back to your intention as many times as you have to. An intention empowers you to respond rather than react. Use it to find your way back to your inner light, anytime, anywhere.